storm arrived, you rode beneath the quiet sky. No one knew those gentle words would one day make the whole world cry. If I die young, bury me in silence. Lay me down beside my grandma. A simple thought upon a page, now carried by the restless waves. Nobody knows tomorrow, no one can hold the tide. Life can change within a heartbeat, leaving love and tears behind. Bury me in silence, don't let the ocean cry. Lay me where my grandma's waiting, under heaven's peaceful skies. Tapos mi luz, long dispel of water, no can lose ting lonely. Mi stop now, long hand belong God by you, mi bonggen one pelade. Families journeyed home together, after laughter filled the day. Children smiling with their parents, never knowing winds would change. Darkness covered all around them, great waves rose against the night. Every prayer reached up to heaven, every soul found God's own light. Mama's weeping on the shoreline, Papa's calling through the darkness. Old Pickaninny sing out, Mama, God yet knows each precious name. Bury me in silence, don't let the ocean cry. Though the sea has taken my body, love will never say goodbye. Sapos mi slip, long salwara, no can cry too much lonely. God and me kissing me go penis, long place belong belly see. If you walk beside the shoreline when the evening breezes blow, listen to the waves in silence, hear the love they still bestow. The sea may hide its secrets, only God has seen it all. Through our grief He walks beside us, He will never let us fall. Bury me in silence, let heaven sing my name. Though the sea has claimed my journey, God's great love remains the same. No more storms, no more sorrow, no more fear, only endless peace. Me stop one time, Jesus now. Me wet long you pela long, not a pela side. You me buy bunge, long kingdom belong God. All get a family stop cry now. Me pela sun up one time, you pela long this pela time belong sorry. Maski sol waray haitin sam pela bekim, God emi savey long all getanem. Olinolus Holy go pasta sol.